Hey everybody, how you doing today? Mark here, standing in my kitchen. Yes, we're cooking some more food today. This is a really simple crock pot meal. It's called Sweet Aroma Chicken and it is amazing stuff. Let's get right into it. This is going to be a very short video because it is that easy. Okay, so this is all we need. We need some chicken thighs. You can use breast if you want. We prefer the dark thigh meat. And I think I got like 10 or so chicken thighs. I got a half cup of water here. I'm also going to add a half cup of coconut milk, half cup of brown sugar, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. Jen is eating with us, so this is a no sodium homemade soy sauce. Someday I'm going to have to make a video on how to make her low sodium stuff. We've got some ground cloves here. We're only going to need 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I've got some minced garlic here, and I need enough to make 2 cloves, I think it is. So yeah, that's it. That's all the ingredients we need. There's no onions, no peppers, no nothing like that. The only thing you'd have to chop would be the garlic if you don't have the pre-minced stuff like I got. So really, there's not a whole lot here. The secret though is how you put it together, okay? So let me show you that. Okay, we're going to cook everything on low, so I'll set my cooker to low. And it's going to cook for like 5 or 6 hours, so take my half cup of water here. Open up the coconut milk. Measure out another half cup, so that'll be 1 cup total between the water and the coconut milk. And we'll put that in the pot. So now we're just going to take the chicken and put it in. Just like that. Just kind of massage it into the liquid. Make sure that everything is all coated with that coconut milk. There we go. So, as you can see, everything's all mixed together. Looks pretty decent. Let me wash my hand real quick. Okay, now the big thing is we want to layer everything on in a specific way. So once you get the chicken and the coconut milk and water in there, we're going to do our half cup of brown sugar. It's gonna break it up a little bit. Then we're going to do our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm just trying to shake it and get all the ingredients all mixed up. So 2 tablespoons. There's 1. And there's 2. Now with the ground cloves, we only need 1/8 of a teaspoon, and the smallest one I have right here is 1/4, so I'm just going to use half of it. Yeah, that's pretty good enough. And then lastly, we're going to do the garlic. And for this minced stuff, they say that half of a teaspoon is 1 garlic clove, so I need 2 of them. So a full teaspoon of garlic, just like that. And that's it. That's all we got to do. Put the lid on and just leave it alone for 5 to 6 hours. So I told you that was super easy. Now to serve it up, cook off some rice, cook off some noodles, maybe some egg noodles or something like that would go really well with this. Then for tonight's dinner, we're gonna nuke off some vegetables. Again, super easy meal, and it's really good. Okay, got the chicken all done. Man, that looks good. Then I've made up a little bit of rice here. The veggies are still in the microwave. Because that sauce is actually quite thin, and you know, it wouldn't be a bad thing to put a little slurry of cornstarch and water into the mix, and that way the sauce would thicken up a little bit. But I kind of like it runny because then it goes well with the rice and everything. Alright guys, there we go. This looks awesome. The smell is just amazing. I tell you, the name of this dish is the Sweet Aroma Chicken. It really is. You get the ground clove in there and the coconut milk and the brown sugar. Oh my god. Look at that. The chicken is just falling apart. Mmm. That's amazing. Mmm. Get some of the veggies with that rice with that sauce on there. I tell you guys, this stuff is really good. Give it a shot. Super simple. What is it, like 5 ingredients, 6 ingredients, something like that? So give it a shot. This one's really good. Thanks guys. See you on the road.